Hello WordPress people. So today in this video we are going to talk about WP scheduled tweets. So this is the plugin where you can schedule tweet from your WordPress site for your post or pages. So for example, you have post or pages you want to tweet about every day. Then you can just set a time and then it will automatically tweet about that post or page on the Twitter account. So in this video we are going to see how we can configure, and let's begin. So how to configure, we have added our blog for that, so let's click on that, how to configure. And this plugin is free for now, so I have already downloaded and installed that on my local site. So once you install and activate the plugin, let's go to settings, and here you have some number of fields. So this we need to fill up in order to configure the tweet on our site. So let's get this detail. So how to get this detail? So we provided the link over here as well. This is the same link which we click over here. So we are going to follow this instruction, but I am already logged into my Twitter from this browser, so I will keep this over here. So first step is to have a developer account, and if you don't have it, just sign up for it and from here. So you can just create your developer account from here. I have already created mine, and it's very simple process. Then we have to create a project and connect the app. So let's create a new project. So let's create project, give the name, use case, um, um, select whatever makes sense to you. As of now I will add I will select teaching. And give your app names. I will give PWT app. Let's click again. I think something is wrong, not sure why. Let's see if our project is created. Let's add app again from here. Okay, now it's created. So once it is done, what do we need to do? So we already did this step. Now we have this API key and API secret key. So copy this API key and go to here and then paste it over here. Then copy API key secret, so paste it over here, and that's done. Now we need these two things, API token and access token secret. So for that, uh, for that click on app settings. So we will go and click app setting, then click the setup to configure use authentication setting. So now we will click on this authentication setting, and here we have to select read and write. So we will select read and write, and then add our website as the website URL and the callback URL. So where do we, okay, here we have to add our website. So this is our localhost site. So this is just for demonstrate. Adding a local host site, but seems it won't allow us adding the local host site. So I will add my personal website URL, that is okay, that's that. And add your detail of if you want to add. I will keep this empty, and we are missing something. So type of app, it will be web app. So yeah, this is not mentioned here, but yeah, it's obviously we are using web app. So I will select this web app, and let's click on save and yes. So once we have this once we have saved this setting, we have this client ID and client secret. So let's copy client ID, which is this, put the access token as a client ID. Okay, no, we don't need to do that. Let's click on done. Let me keep this somewhere. Okay, once it is done, go to keys and tokens, and then scroll to authentication token section and generate access token and secret. So where is the authentication token and generate access token and secret? So access token and secret, so let's generate this. So now we have this access token. Let's copy this and put it over here, and access token secret, let's put it over here, and yes, I saved this. And now let's save settings. So if all the details are correct, you will see the connection over here. So let's save this. So our authentication is successful, and it is displaying that this account is connected to my this account. So this is how you need to configure your plugin, and in the other video I will show you how the plugin works. So this is how you can configure. Please let us know if you have any doubt or question. Please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.